everyone, welcome to maths class. All of you know that we are going through chapter number 12, that is time, and from this chapter you have already learned how can you read the clock, and you have a clear idea about half hours, full hours, and quarter hours, quarter to, quarter past. And in your previous class you have also learned how can you convert days into hours and hours into minutes, hours into seconds. You have learned everything. So one topic is left from this chapter, that is learn from the calendar, which you can learn from the calendar. You know that we measure time not only by days, hours and minutes, but also by weeks, months and years. আমরা টাইমকে আওয়ার্স, ডেজ, মিনিটস ছাড়াও উইকস, মান্থস অ্যান্ড ইয়ার্স দিয়েও মেজার করতে পারি। All of you know that there are 7 days in a week, that is 1 week equal to 7 days. And the days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have learned this in class 1 and class 2. So 1 week equal to 7 days, and there are 30 days in 1 month. There are 365 days in 1 year. There are 12 months in 1 year, and there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So 1 week, 7 days is 1 week, and 4 weeks is 1 month, and 12 months is 1 year. So 7 days make 1 week, 4 weeks make 1 month, and 12 months make 1 year. And there are 365 days in one year. And so 365 days make 1 year, 30 days make 1 month, and 7 days make 1 week. Remember this, 30 days make 1 month, 7 days make 1 week, and 365 days make 1 year, and 12 months make 1 year, 4 weeks make 1 month. Okay, so before learning the concept, you have to make a clear idea about this. How many days make 1 week? How many weeks make 1 month? How many months make 1 year? How many days make 1 year? And how many days make 1 month? Okay. So, you know that there are 12 months in a year. The months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. But some month has 31 days and some month has 30 days, except February. February has 28 or 29 days. So in which year February has 28 days and in which year February has 29 days? You have to learn this. আমাদের তো সেটা জানতে হবে যে কোন ইয়ারে ফেব্রুয়ারি মান্থে 28 ডেজ থাকবে, কোন ইয়ারে ফেব্রুয়ারি মান্থে 29 ডেজ থাকবে। You know that some month has 31 days. So you have learned this in your previous class, but now I am telling you again. You have to count this like this way: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So which month will be here in the upper position that has 31 days, and which will be in this position, lower position? You have that month has 30 days except February. February has 28 or 29 days. Now you will know which month, which year has February 28 days and which year's February month has 29 days. But before that, you have to learn about the leap year. Leap year, this is completely new topic to you. Leap year, a year which is exactly divisible by 4, that is called a leap year. যে ইয়ারটাকে আমাদের 4 দিয়ে পুরোটা ডিভিজিবল হবে, দ্যাট মিনস 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করা যাবে। যে ইয়ারটাকে, যে ইয়ারকে 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে কোনো রিমাইন্ডার পাওয়া যাবে না, অলরেডি 0 পাওয়া যাবে রিমাইন্ডার, সেই ইয়ারটাকেই আমরা বলবো লিপ ইয়ার। Okay. Here I have written 2004. This is the year 2004. Can you tell me, is this a leap year? How can you check this? You have to divide this by 4. 4 5s are 20. 0. 4 1s are 4. That means 2004 is divisible by 4. So this is a leap year. This is a leap year. And leap year's February month has 29 days. So in this year, February month has 29 days. Next, 2005. 2005. Let's check this. 4 5s are 20, 0, 5. 4 1s are 4. But the remainder is 1. So this is not divisible by 4. So this is not a leap year. Next one, 2012. This is also divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So this is a leap year. This is also a leap year because this is divisible by 4. So which year is divisible by 4? That will be a leap year. Okay. And one leap year equal to 366 days. There are 366 days in a leap year. তাহলে একটা leap year এ 366 days থাকবে। কেন 366 days থাকবে? কারণ লিপ ইয়ারে ফেব্রুয়ারি মান্থে 29 days হবে, তাহলে ওখানে একটা এক্সট্রা দিন পাচ্ছি আমরা। তো তার জন্যই one leap year has 366 days. Okay. Now we will convert some years and months into days or years into months. Okay. First one, 2 years, 5 months equal to how many days? 2 years, 5 months. You know that 1 year equal to 365 days. So, 2 years equal to, so remember this. To convert year into days, to convert years into days, you have to multiply by 365 because 1 year equal to 365 days. To convert years into months, you have to multiply by 12 because you know that 1 year equal to 12 months. You have to convert month into days. You have to multiply by 30. Okay. And you have to convert weeks into days. You have to multiply by 7 because 1 week equal to 7 days. To convert week into months into weeks, you have to multiply by 4 because 1 month equal to 4 weeks. Okay, so you have to remember this. 2 years, 5 months equal to how many days? First of all, you have to convert these 2 years into days. 2 years, how can you convert years into days? You have to multiply by 365. This much days, 5 months. Now you have to convert this into days. To convert months into days, you have to multiply by 13. This will be 150 days. Okay. So, 2 years, 5 months. 2 years, 5 months. Now you have to add this 2 times. 730 days plus 150 days. So this will be 880 days. 880 days. Okay. Next one, 3 months, 5 weeks equal to how many days? First of all, you have to convert this into days. 3 months. 3 months equal to 3 into 30 days because to convert months into days you have to multiply by 30. This will be 90 days. 5 weeks you have to multiply by 7. This will be 35 days. So 3 months 5 weeks equal to 90 plus 35 days. This will be 125 days. Okay. So I hope all of you can understand how can you convert years into days, months into days. Okay. So this is how you can convert the time, and you have also learnt about leap year and about this time, about this. So first of all you have to remember this, then you have to learn about the leap year, and then you have to learn about the conversion. If you can remember this, then you can do the conversion of years, months, days, weeks easily. Okay. So this is all about for you today's class. If you have any queries, you can ask me.